Hi guys, welcome back. If you're here, you've probably come from my Griddle Gang membership, which is a monthly snail mail club, and we do a recipe every month. So we're in the middle of August. It is super hot out, and I just thought I would do something with lemons. To me, lemons scream summertime. You use them in so many ways. You make lemon icy pops, lemonade, when you're grilling on the barbecue, it's usually something to do with lemons, salmon. Anyways, today, for our little sweet treat, we're gonna make mini lemon and macadamia nut cheesecakes. So good. So what we're gonna do, instead of having a regular graham cracker crust, we're going to use Biscoff cookies. Also, if you don't have Biscoff cookies, Trader Joe's has speculoos cookies. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this down to make the crumb, and we'll add everything else in. Beautiful. I'm gonna add that into my bowl. Okay, next we're going to take 50 grams of macadamia nuts. These are roasted, unsalted macadamia nuts. And we're gonna blend them as well. So you can see they're both blended really nice. Okay, we're gonna also add in we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then we have 4 tablespoons of butter. So 4 tablespoons of butter, and it has to be melted butter. And we're just gonna pour this in here. And then we're gonna mix this all up. Okay, while we're mixing this up, this is perfect. Let's make sure that we go ahead and have our oven preheated to 325 degrees. You can do it before you start this, but definitely preheat to 325 right now because it takes us a little bit to put the crust into the bottom. Okay, now that this is evenly mixed, we're gonna go ahead and take a muffin tin, and we're just using some cupcake holders, and we're going to evenly put this in to each one. A little secret to getting the crust to be nice and flat in the bottom is you're going to press it down with the bottom of a cup. I'm just using a water glass. That piece is a little too big. These look beautiful. We're going to put these in to bake for just 5 minutes. As we're letting the mini crusts cool, we're going to go ahead and take our lemons and zest them and juice them. So I'm using 2 lemons total. One I've already started, and here we'll do the next one. Yeah, that good. Okay, so in a large bowl, I've got my mixer, and I'm going to beat in 2 packages. So this is 16 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add my sugar, which is half a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And we're just going to beat this together till it's nice and mixed. Okay, here we go. I'm going to scrape down the sides, and then I'm going to start adding in egg. Add in 1 egg at a time. That looks beautiful. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add in our lemon zest. And then our lemon juice. Mix it all up. Okay, so it does look kind of soupy, but that's why we have the eggs in there and the cheese. It's going to bake. So now we're going to evenly distribute these into all of our containers here. Okay, we did have a little bit extra, so I must have had an extra juicy lemon. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven and bake them at 325 for 20 minutes. Okay, you can see how they're puffed. They're perfect. We're going to take these out and let them cool. Hello. Okay, so today is now the next day. It's Sunday morning, and when you are finished with the mini cheesecakes, you put them in the fridge, but you need to have them set for at least 4 hours. So I got busy and just had them set overnight. And so now is the next day. Let's have a look at them, and we're going to go ahead and open them up. Okay, so here's my mini tiny cheesecakes. You can see how they've set all perfectly on the top. They've kind of sunken in a little bit, which is perfect for what we need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the edges and I am going to peel them. We're going to peel all these edges off and we're going to place them onto my nice little serving tray here. Looks so beautiful. We're going to top them with some lemon curd and some macadamia nuts. Okay, and if you're super adventurous, you could make your own lemon curd, but I just buy mine from Trader Joe's. We're going to put this on. Just a little dollop on each one. Make sure you wash your hands before. I find that the lemon curd, it just like fills in that little sunken hole. You can use whipped cream, fresh fruit, you can really mix these up however you want. But I just love, you get that extra little lemony bite because we've already put the lemon into the mini cheesecake. So this just makes it that much better. I'm just kind of spreading these out just a little bit because I want to put the macadamia nuts on top. And with the macadamia nuts on top, it's going to give it that little bit of crunch. So you've got the crunch on the bottom and it's just going to match the crunch. It's all about textures and flavor. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to use the rest of my, I'm going to use a couple macadamia nuts and just put on each one just for decoration and for that extra crunch. I don't like the look of that one. Maybe a couple more in here. You see, some of these look like they're dirty, but it's not dirt. It's just the nut shell or the roasting. So I want to get a better one here. This guy here. Okay, they are all done. They look so beautiful. See? Have a look here just how nice these look. So perfect. You can see? And you can chill these, keep them in the fridge, just keep them covered, and they're good for the day. Even till the next day or the day after that. Okay, so I was able to give them all away except for one to my neighbors, and I have those 3 back there. But let's cut into this so you can see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a good crust. Look at that. It's a perfectly fluffy cheesecake. That looks so good. Let's give it a taste test. It's so lemony, so delicious. Thanks for joining me today. If you do want the actual recipe card for this, I have a little snail mail club called the Griddle Gang. You get the recipe card for this, which you can follow along on YouTube if you want. You also get 2 greeting cards and a cute sticker, and it's all based around the same theme. So August is lemon, and last month it was tomato, so always something really cute to look forward to in your mailbox, and I'll just put the link in my bio. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye.